measurements. To my right, you're looking at here at one of our sandwich prep tables. This is going to be a 36-inch sandwich prep table brand on this unit. Our own company brand, Cooler Depot, as you can see on the unit. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure overall measurements for this sandwich prep table. I'll also measure the inside for you. Okay, so starting with the length. As I mentioned before, you're looking at a total of 36 inches of the length. Front to back, you're looking at 29.5 inches. And the overall height will be a total of 42 inches high. Okay, the unit does have wheels on the bottom as well as stoppers. Okay, so measurements for just the wheel, 5 inches. Okay, also we have our cutting board here on the top that will be included with the sandwich prep table. Measurements for this cutting board, 10 inches. Okay, 10 inches. Now we have our lid over here that we can open up, and on the inside you can locate your pans. Okay, so you will be provided with pans for this unit as well. You have a total of 10 pans for this sandwich prep table. Okay, now let's go ahead and show you the inside. If we go ahead and open up these doors, they are also automatic closing doors. Okay, so you got automatic closing doors for this unit. On the inside, you can locate your shelving. You have 2 shelves included for this unit, one on each side. Inside measurements, front to back, total of 18 inches. Left to right, you're going to be looking at a total of 33 inches. And the overall height on the inside, total of 23 inches of the height on the inside. Also on the inside, there's going to be a thermometer. Okay, so you have a thermometer on the inside for this unit. On the inside, there's also going to be a sticker with all details, model, voltage for this unit, as well as certification. The unit is certified by the health department, and you can locate that on the inside sticker. Lastly, I want to go ahead and show you the back. And on the back, we have our plug. Okay, it is a standard US plug, runs on 110 volt. Also on the back, we have our temperature control. So this is where your unit will display the temperature once it's on. Also, you can set your temperature on that same control to whatever temperature you want the unit to run at. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration on this 36-inch sandwich prep table. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. I'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.